I'll show you how to prepare your cell phone for your computer. So when you're running the ADB commands from your computer, your cell phone can recognize those commands. So what you gotta do, you have to go to the settings, and then you go to the about phone, and then you look for the build number, and you tap 7 times on the build number. I'm already developer. I already enabled the build, so that's why it's saying I don't have to, but you have to if you never or you haven't enabled the developer options. Once you enable, then you go to the system, then you go to the developer options and scroll down, and you will see it's a USB debugging. Enable it, and if your computer already has the option enabled, I show you what to do. So since I just enabled it, it asking me for the fingerprint RSA key. I say always allow. And let's say if you come here and your USB debugging is already enabled, so what you're gonna do, you just click on the second option, say revoke USB debugging authorization. So that means if some other computer already had their RCA key enabled on that computer, you just gonna take that key out from their computer, and then it will regenerate new key for your current computer. So I just say revoke, disable, enable again, and it will ask me the key. So that's how, if you already have a USB debugging enabled for another computer, you disable, you revoke the key and enable, disable, and enable again, and it should give you another key for your particular computer. So that's how you set up your cell phone so you can run the commands from your computer and this phone can recognize. And that's pretty much it. Thank you.